Hi guys, this is Miss Harvey and I wanted to create a quick tutorial video going over the format of our Google Classroom and how to navigate it. Also, I did add something this week to it and I just wanted to review that with you and kind of explain it. So I'm going to be working out of my first period Google Classroom. All your Google Classrooms look the same. I'm just going to work out of this one for an example. Okay, so whenever you click on my classroom, the first thing it brings you to is the stream. The stream is where I'll post like some kind of announcement, or if we have a meeting starting, a Google Meet starting. But whenever you're looking for your classwork, I want you to come up here to classwork. I have everything organized and everything purposeful. And so it's very important that you work out a classwork and not click the links that you get in your email. Okay. All right. So also, I just want to kind of point out our new banner. So I'm going to go to classwork. And the first thing that you notice is the distant learning tools. These are things that I'm going to post to if I think that it's going to help you with this distant learning experience. So for example, I have a flyer with the numbers if you're having trouble with any of your devices or with Wi-Fi. These are the numbers that you can contact. Also, under the distant learning tools section, I have a where you can create your own schedule for the week. So you can pace out your different classes. You can put in there times to be creative or exercise or even take a nap. This is nothing that is required. It's just to help you out. Okay. If you need help planning your schedule, just please let me know. I'd be more than happy to. All right, so this is a new thing, challenge of the week. So every week, depending on what we're learning, I'll have the challenge of the week, okay? This is something that is optional. You do not have to do it, but this is the new thing that I posted. So every week, I'll post some kind of challenge for you guys to do. And then it'll have instructions. You just click on it and it tells you the instructions and what you need to do. Okay. Again, this is nothing that you have to do. It is optional. But this is something new that I added to the Google Classroom. Okay. Then below the challenge of the week, you will see where it says week of and then the dates of that week. And it says must do. These are in order for a reason. Please, whenever you're doing your work, start at 1 and work your way down to whatever the end number is, okay? I do this for a reason. So, for example, your vocabulary assignment is number 3. The reason I did that as number 3 is because in your article that you are going to read, you're going to see these vocabulary words. So, I have these in order for a reason, okay? The next thing that you are going to see is the pacing guide and checklist. This does not need to be turned in. You do not have to do this. This is just to help you. I created a guide for every day for you to do a little bit. And then by the end of the week, you should have everything completed. Okay. So again, this does not have to be turned in. It's just a guide to help pace your work for ELA class. And then it also has a checklist on here where you can mark off the different things that you have done and make sure that you did everything that you needed to. Okay. So again, not a requirement. It's just a guide to help you pace out your schedule. And then you're going to have the continued learning. Continued learning will usually correlate with whatever we're learning this week. But this is not a requirement. It is optional. Okay. So you don't have to do this. These, where it says must do, you need to do. This you do not. This is just, let's say you finish all your work on Monday and you want to continue learning, you want to continue with what we've been going over. I will have assignments here that you can do. Okay, so like for example, I have create a meme. I will be adding other things today. Okay, so again, just to review, you have the distant learning tools that are just tools to help you out, the challenge of the week that is optional, your week of assignments, these you must do, and then the continued learning.